Hi guys, my name is Maria. I'm a teacher at Art School of SFP and I'm inviting you to join our adult art course. It's a sequence of classes. We start from basic shapes and colors like painting fruits and vegetables, and we continue with learning about silhouettes and proportions. There will be a series of exercises. Then we learn about shading and pencil drawing some basic shapes, and continue with some compositional exercises and abstract composition. There will be lectures, of course. We pull all this knowledge together when we paint a simple still life, just like this. And then we move on learning about human head and drawing a human head like this. Then learning about human anatomy, basic bones and muscles that artists need to know when drawing people, and continue with painting a portrait and working on your final project. Final project can be anything you want. Our job is to make sure you can freely express any idea in visual form. All right, I hope to see you at the demo class. You can learn all the details in the description below. Thank you.